Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I'm in the 3D printed Russian Manacle. And I'm going to try and escape from it. I'm just going to lift that flap out the way to expose the key. I did not decide on a tool to use. I'll use that one, why not? Because it's there. There's one side done.
That was quick.
Like I said, it's easy.
Easy as pie.
There we go, and the other side done. Slightly awkward in the ways you have to bend, but yeah. I don't think your ways up will be that bad neither, because you'll be able to just go down the side of the shackle hole. Next video. I'll do that next. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.